Hey, good morning, everyone. So, in the news this morning, we got some really crazy news. So, consumer revolving debt has gone above $1 trillion. It was actually like at 1.2. This number is outstanding, like it's crazy high. I haven't seen it anywhere near this high since '08, and this is actually the highest it's ever been. So this gives you an opportunity. It gives you an opportunity to help people. I have two loans going right now that are in the situation where they had somewhere between $80,000 and $100,000 worth of revolving debt. That is a crazy number, I know, but I was able to come in, and they were looking at downsizing, and they had all these ideas, and what I said to them was, hey, let's sell this house, let's pay off all the debt, look in your new house, we're going to put a minimum amount on the new debt, we're going to pay off every piece of revolving debt you have, and we're going to change your life. Y'all, this is the power that you have as a realtor and me as a mortgage person, that you can truly change somebody's life that much. And this is a huge thing. And I hope you can take this advice when you're talking with people and they're trying to decide what to do. Please refer them to me. We would love all your referrals, but especially people like this. Let us work with them and get rid of this debt and change their life. Thanks, guys. I appreciate all of you.